Hey folks! Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple but effective content calendar in Notion to keep your video ideas, scripts, and publishing schedule organized. First, open Notion on your PC and go to your workspace. Click Add a New Page and give it a name like Content Calendar. Next, choose the table option to create a database. This will help you track your content. Now, add columns like Title, Status, Publish Date, and Notes. For example, under Status, you can create options like Idea, Script, Editing, and Published. Start filling in your content ideas, add deadlines, and track progress by updating the status. You can also add a calendar view by clicking plus Add a View and selecting Calendar so you see your publishing schedule visually. This setup helps you plan ahead, stay consistent, and never miss a deadline. Once you get used to it, you can customize the calendar with tags, priority labels, or links to your scripts. And there you go, your own content calendar in Notion, ready to boost your productivity. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss any tech video from our channel. And if you have any question or comment, drop it in the comment section. I will try to help you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.